Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. What would you do? Well, first of all, I'm quite sure that most of us would dream all the marvelous things we wanted to happen. We would fulfill all our wishes. But after you've done that for a few months, you might begin to get a little tired of it. And you would say, what about an adventure tonight, in which something terribly exciting and rather dangerous is going to happen? But I'll know I'm dreaming, so it won't be too bad. And I'll wake up if it gets too serious. And then when you've done that for some time, you say, now let's go out a bit further. Let's forget it's a dream and have a real thrill. But you know you'll wake up. After you've done that for a while, you get more and more nerve until you sort of dare yourself as to how far out you can get. And you end up dreaming the sort of life you're living now.